Okay, Mr. Wu, let's go.
Okay, just a few hours ago, we got a new item that just came fresh. In the old days, Leica is known as the company of adapters. They make one camera and they make the next. You can send back the old and they retrofit it to the new one. Then they make a lot of series of adapters to change from one to the other. So when they make my screw mount lens, when they introduce the M, they make sure that they make the flange distance of the M 1 mm shorter, so that they can make an adapter which is 1 mm longer. Then you can use all the screw mount lens on the M camera. So many things over the year can fit and fit on. So over the table here, you see all the different individual things and how they can come together. What we have here is called a filter turret. So instead of screwing out one filter and take out another, you have 3 filters pre-mounted and you just rotate and the right filter will come into place. So you can open it up and put in the filter of your choice. So it's a turret. So inside, that's what we have. You see, you can pre-mount the 3 filters. And then you put into this contraption, lock it up, then you just rotate the one you want to use. Now this adapter is a thread mount. The rear of it is an M mount. So you could, originally this will fit into the VisoFlex housing, which convert the M camera into the SLR. But today we don't going to use the VisoFlex, but we can do that in another way. And we have this lens, very heavy lens, solid. This is a 125 2.5 Hector. The Hector lens, this is not the only Hector, there were other Hector. When you hear a Hector lens, it means that the lens designer named this lens after his dog. His name of the dog was Hector. So this lens became Hector. So you screw this lens here. Incidentally, this lens, the lens element and the diaphragm can be removed for easy to clean. And this is a helical tube for focusing. So you put it in, and then you just screw it on. So this is the front part. And you got a hood. The hood bayonet's in. Yeah, it's a hood. And the rear end, so we use this series of adapter. This is a adapter. Okay, like this, you can mount on the M directly. So you can put on the M240, M10, M11. You can view through the LCD or you can view through the electronic viewfinder. You can also add another one. So this one is a macro adapter with a helical. So you can increase the focal distance a little bit. So we put it here. And finally, I have a M to L. You can mount it on the SL. So red dot to red dot. So now I can mount this to a modern SL camera in all the variation. This is the first original SL. So you can mount it here. Red dot, yeah. Okay, now you can turn the camera on and you have option to view from the screen or the EVF. Then you can focus. Yeah. Turn. Yeah. Yeah, you can focus. So this is the contraption, and you like the filter, then dial in the filter. So seamless. This is what Leica. The Leica, the new meet the old. So Leica, you have old things, you don't throw them away. You just hang on long enough. Along the way, you can add up all the contraption, and there you are. Modern camera with ancient lens, and they work just as fine. No rattling, no play, no free play. All good. Yeah. Wonderful Leica.
Thank you.
Welcome.